everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my experience with the OneOdio A5 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling headphones. These headphones combine cutting-edge features like hybrid active noise cancellation, high-res LDAC sound, and an impressive 75-hour battery life. I've been using them for work, travel, and relaxation, and I'm excited to show you what makes them stand out. Let's get started. Unboxing the A5 is a straightforward experience. The box includes the USB Type-C charging cable and some paperwork. If you're interested in picking these headphones up, check out the video description for the latest prices and other information. The A5 headphones feature a sleek, modern design with a matte finish that looks great and resists fingerprints. They also feature a vinyl-like pattern, which adds a nice touch and gives the headphones a cool and stylish look. The ear cups are equipped with customized, ultra-soft protein air pads, offering a cushion-like softness that's perfect for extended wear. The adjustable headband ensures a secure and comfortable fit for all head sizes. I've used these headphones for hours at a time and they never felt heavy or caused discomfort. The breathable materials also prevent your ears from overheating even during long listening sessions, making them a great choice for work, travel, or just relaxing at home. The noise cancellation on the A5 is powered by hybrid active noise cancellation technology, which uses two microphones, one on the outside of the ear cups and another one on the inside. This dual mic setup not only captures external noise but also detects noise inside the ear canal for more precise and efficient cancellation. With a noise cancellation depth of -45 decibels, the A5 can filter out up to 98% of low-frequency ambient sounds like engine hum, air conditioning, or chatter in a busy coffee shop. I tested these in various noisy environments, and the results were consistently impressive. Whether you're commuting, flying, or just working in a noisy space, the A5 creates a serene listening experience. The sound quality on the A5 is truly uncompromised thanks to LDAC support for high-res audio wireless sound. LDAC transmits audio at a maximum bitrate of 990 kilobytes per second, which is 3 times the data of standard Bluetooth codecs. I tested these headphones with various genres, bass-heavy tracks, acoustic performances, and classic music, and the clarity was outstanding. The bass is powerful but not overwhelming, the mids are balanced, and the highs are crisp. Whether you're streaming music or watching a movie, the A5 delivers immersive and detailed listening experience. For audiophiles who prefer a wired connection, the A5 supports a lossless audio and noise cancellation via USB Type-C port. While the USB-C audio cable isn't included in the box, I tested this feature with my own cable and I was blown away by the results. In wired mode, the sound quality remains pristine and you can still use the ANC feature. This makes the A5 a versatile option whether you're conserving the battery or connecting to devices that don't support Bluetooth. One of the standout features of the A5 is its exceptional battery performance. These headphones provide up to 75 hours of playback at 50% volume in Bluetooth mode and 45 hours with active noise cancellation turned on. What's even better is the quick charge capability. A 10-minute charge gives you 10 hours of playback. Whether you're heading out on a trip or just forgot to charge them overnight, this feature ensures you're never without music for long. In day-to-day use, the A5 excels in versatility. The foldable design makes it easy to pack, and the long battery life means you can rely on them for extended trips or busy days. The headphones perform equally well indoors and outdoors. While walking around outside, the ANC effectively reduces background noise, allowing me to fully enjoy the music without being distracted by the environment. At home, they are perfect for blocking out distractions and isolating noises, whether I'm working, watching videos, or simply relaxing. They create a peaceful listening experience that lets me focus on whatever I'm doing. The OneOdio A5 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling headphones offer a lot of great features, especially considering their low price point. The hybrid ANC technology works well, the high-res LDAC sound delivers impressive sound quality, and the comfort level makes them easy to wear for long periods. The battery life is solid, and the add-ons are a nice touch, making them feel like a well-rounded package. Whether you're working, going for a walk, or relaxing at home, the A5 headphones provide a reliable and enjoyable listening experience. If you're looking for affordable headphones that still offer great performance, these are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask any questions about these headphones or share your own experience in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.